Moving on to section 9.2, we're talking about a more specific type of sequence in series called an arithmetic sequence and partial sums of arithmetic series. So a sequence whose consecutive terms have a common difference are called an arithmetic sequence. So common difference, sorry, lost focus for where I was writing. And I also wrote too big. So a sequence is arithmetic if the differences between consecutive terms are the same. So in the sequence, a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, etc., 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 if the or it's an arithmetic, it is arithmetic if there's a number d such that a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is the same as a sub 3 minus a sub 2, which is the same as a sub 4 minus a sub 3. In other words, the subtracting of any two consecutive terms give you that value of d. So the number d is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. So looking at a couple examples here. The sequence whose nth term is 4n plus 3 is arithmetic. Well, let's check that out. So if we do a sub 1, or we do 4 times 1 plus 3, we get 7. A sub 2, you got 4 times 2 plus 3 gives us 8 plus 3 is 11. A sub 3 equals 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 3 gives us 15. You can see the common difference is 4. We're going up by 4 over and over and over. Now, that might be pretty obvious from the equation as it is. One other piece of information I'm going to encourage us to start identifying is a sub 1 in any given sequence. Identify, in this case, it's 7. Example 2, doing the same type of deal. A sub 1 will do 7 minus 5n. We got 7 minus 5 times 1. Well, 5 times 1 is 5, so 7 minus 5 is 2. Then if we check out a sub 2, do the same thing, but now we'll have 7 minus 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, so 7 minus 10 gives us negative 3. And let's do one more, a sub 3. We got 7 minus 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 7 minus 15 gives us negative 8. So in this case, our common difference is negative 5, and our first term is 2. Take a moment, try the last one on your own. You can probably already identify the common difference, but also make sure you're identifying what the first term is as well. So pause the video, and we're back. Okay, a sub 1 equals 1/4 times 1 plus 3. Well, 1 plus 3 is 4. 1/4 of that just gives us 1. Next up, a sub 2 is 1/4, pardon me, 1/4 times 2 plus 3. Well, 2 plus 3 is 5. 1/4 times 5 is 5 over 4. A sub 3, we got 1/4 or times 3 plus 3. So we got 1/4 times 6, which gives us 6 over 4, which is unreduced, or if you want to reduce it to 3 over 2, that's fine. Common difference here, again, you probably could have identified it right off the bat, it's 1/4. It's just that value that n is being multiplied by. And our first term here is 1. So, one correlation that you might have noticed, the common difference in the versus or included in the explicit rule, is the common difference, I'll just call the CD, is what the n is being multiplied by. So essentially, if you're connecting this to things that we've done before, this is like a linear equation with a slope, and in this case, the common difference is our slope.